Hello friends, welcome to Stockseers. Today, we will be doing an analysis of SPY, but it's going to be a bit complicated, so I suggest you watch carefully. I will use Elliott waves and will try to show the correction patterns as much as possible. Let's get started. I see a flat here. This relates to us as it clarifies the current major uptrend wave. It's important to find a starting point to count from. We've placed an example, but let's mark it over. Here, I think we have a small running flat. Therefore, I will place my number 1 count like this, the third wave and the fifth. Now let's mark the correction here. This is an expanding triangle. The pandemic drop was actually the E wave of this expanding triangle. A, B, C, D, and E. Now, it needs to make a new 5-wave sequence. It has already completed the first wave. Now, it's important where you place the correction wave. But I will place it here because I think we have a running zigzag pattern here. I will show this in the daily period shortly. Here comes the third wave, a small correction. And a fifth wave close to $2,000. We've knitted our waves, now let's look at the trends. We of course take the parallel. I saw an inner to outer resistance here, and it's also parallel. I've gotten used to drawing waves and directly targeted the goal. Let's draw an inner to outer resistance here as well. A very nice trend. We also need to look at the daily period. I've just mentioned this pattern, that's why I placed 2 there. It's a running zigzag. I see a resistance here. Let's take the parallel. As you know in technical analysis, parallels are magical. Now let's focus on this last wave. Yes, there is a diagonal here. We call it a leading diagonal. This diagonal is an uptrend wave, and it is very likely that a correction follows. It is very rare that it breaks upward. I want to measure how far it will fall. Yes, there is a beautiful horizontal support here. Let's draw a Fibonacci retracement for confirmation. The Fibonacci 0.382 level coincides with our horizontal support. This is nice because corrections usually happen to either the 0.382 level or the 0.618 level. I think this correction is sufficient, $478. Let's start seeing the peaks, because we will target there. Yes, we will fill in this third wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. and 5 $1,200. Third wave, $820. But first, a correction around $478. The target of this impulsive start from the pandemic is around $2,000. I hope you liked our analysis. See you in another analysis. You can subscribe to the channel and support us.